is an important message for the following counties for PTO, Texas. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a tornado warning for northwestern of PTO County in south central Texas until 2:45 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., trees weather spotters report a funnel cloud 4 miles northwest of Winsboro. A tornado may develop at any time. Doppler radar shows a dangerous storm moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Refugio, Winsboro, and Quintana. Take cover now. Move to a safe resort in the interior of Marmelo and floor of a dirty building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is KHP-41, located in Corpus Christi, operating on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz. HRE is the 7-day forecast for the local area.